President Prabowo himself traveled to Doha 3 days ago on September 12th to personally meet with His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Emir of the State of Qatar. His visit was a clear message of Indonesia's unwavering support for Qatar following the horrific and cowardly attack in Doha by Israel.
Mewakili Presiden RI Prabowo Subianto, Menteri Luar Negeri Indonesia Sugiono menghadiri pertemuan puncak KTT Darurat Arab Islam yang diselenggarakan di Doha, Qatar pada Senin 15 September 2025. Pertemuan puncak Organisasi Kerjasama Islam ini merupakan tanggapan atas serangan Israel terhadap negara Qatar. Menlu Sugiono dalam pidatonya menyampaikan pesan tegas mewakili Presiden Prabowo Subianto. Indonesia menyampaikan terima kasih mendalam atas penyelenggaraan KTT dan menegaskan kembali solidaritas tak tergoyahkan terhadap Qatar yang menjadi korban serangan Israel. Kunjungan Presiden Prabowo ke Doha sebelumnya menjadi simbol dukungan penuh Indonesia menyusul tindakan brutal yang dikecam keras sebagai pelanggaran hukum internasional dan prinsip PBB. Indonesia menggarisbawahi bahwa pertanyaan Palestina bukan sekadar isu kedaulatan, melainkan menyangkut kelangsungan hidup bangsa, martabat rakyat, dan kesucian hukum internasional.
I want to express our profound gratitude and appreciation to His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, the Emir of State of Qatar, for the generous hosting, invitation, and organizing of this excellent conference. Allow me to convey the warmest regards and sincere regrets from President Prabowo Subianto, who deeply values the significance of this emergency summit and greatly appreciates Qatar's leadership in hosting it. President Prabowo himself traveled to Doha 3 days ago on September 12th to personally meet with His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Emir of the State of Qatar. His visit was a clear message of Indonesia's unwavering support for Qatar following the horrific and cowardly attack in Doha by Israel, and reaffirmed Indonesia's enduring commitment to peace in the Middle East. We salute the resilience of Qatar and joining the Qataris in condolences to those who martyred and joining the prayer for those who wounded and wish for a speedy recovery, and we stand in solidarity with you in this trying time. Majesties, Highnesses, Excellencies, Indonesia condemns the recent Israeli attack against Qatar. It is a flagrant breach of international law, the UN Charter, and the very principles upon which the OIC was founded. It is not only an attack on Qatar's sovereignty, but also a grave threat to regional and global peace and any attempts to negotiate peace itself. What we witness in Doha is not an isolated incident, it's the tragic consequences of decades-long impunity. And let us be clear that the Palestinian question is not solely about Palestine. It's about the survival of our nations, the dignity of our people, and the sanctity of international law. Majesties, Highnesses, and Excellencies, as mentioned by the previous speakers, this summit must issue one collective response which is clear, principled, and united. Indonesia believes that this summit must not only issue collective condemnation against Israel, but also to urge the United Nations Security Council to fulfill its mandate by taking firm and urgent measures to ensure accountability and prevent any recurrence. And we must strengthen solidarity among OIC members to confront such barbarous acts. And at the same time, we must not lose sight of the root cause, which is Israel's illegal occupation of Palestine. For Indonesia, the path to lasting peace remains unchanged. The realization of the sovereign state and independent state of Palestine, with East Jerusalem as its capital, based on relevant UN resolution. We will continue to stand shoulder to shoulder with Qatar, with Palestine, and with all nations that uphold international law and humanity. Let this summit be remembered as the moment the OIC stood firm, defending sovereignty, humanity, and justice. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.